that they can find new partners, new insights, new finance, and at the end of the week can go home and say, yes, we did it.
So it's going pretty well in the lounge. I must say that the color orange is really attracting people, but also very interested by the offers that we have.
Once you start walking into this exciting environment, you got companies approaching you, talking about their expansion plans to the Netherlands.
I'm impressed with the emphasis of Collision on building responsible, inclusive technologies.
Yeah, so we're here to meet partners in Canada, but also in North America and other regions, because there's so many people from all over the world.
We're making impact on the healthcare problems in the Netherlands, but now we want to go international.
We are going live in beta tomorrow, and we're super excited about it.
We introduced world's first universal charging tile for e-bikes and other light electric vehicles. We want to make cities livable again.
We're starting up an office here in Toronto, so we're also networking and see how we can make the first moves.
If you want to learn a little bit more about the Amsterdam ecosystem, go to Startup Amsterdam's landing page here, where you can get more information about their programs and maybe meet some of the lovely staff.
And it's really interesting to see that we are really a country that people want to talk to. They are impressed by these startups that we bring.
At Collision, I'm on the lookout for Dutch-based partners to work in collaboration with.
Getting the chance to work in the Netherlands and learn from a lot of the startups that are going on there is really intriguing to me.
The thing that brought me to the NL booth was the exciting opportunities that are accessible in the tech space in the Netherlands.
I get this question pretty often, how is it to be a woman in tech? Well, I don't know how it is to be a man in tech.
We are mainly based in North America, but it's kind of opened our horizons a little bit. Somewhere like the Netherlands, like we might be able to find an opportunity out there. You know, we never know.